Tournament number 11 underway. Let's go.
There we go. Good start.
Yeah. All right, fish number 1 coming on a black and blue jig with a flapping hog trailer. Right off this tree right here, we're in about 6 feet of water. Water temperature's 87 degrees. It's a good start for the day. Fish number 1. Yeah. It's not big. He's going on the board. Fish number 2 coming on the jig again. He's right at 14 inches, so hopefully we can get rid of him eventually. Nice. Good one? Keeper. Bring him around. There we go. Good catch. Let's see if he's going to keep. Oh, he's good. For show. So number 3.
This one's definitely bigger than the one with the tag on it.
Alright, it's 11 o'clock. We have 3 fish in the live well. To say it's been a tough bite is an understatement. We've been catching small fish here and there, but it is few and far between. We're fishing deep now, kind of downsizing our baits a little bit. Hopefully they'll start biting again. Hopefully we can get a limit today. So let's get at them. Oh, get him. Oh my God. Is that a keeper? Oh yeah, he looks good. Get him, man. Yeah. He's gonna be close. Dude, that thing was running.
Took off like a rocket. I don't know. God damn
He's
it.
gonna be good. Oh, I just got smacked. Oh, it's a pig. Oh, it's a pig, dude.
Alright, right here.
Oh, this might be a catfish. This is huge, whatever. Yeah, it's a catfish. It's got to be a catfish.
I'm gonna know it. Yeah, it's a catfish.
Yeah, it's a...
Snakehead.
No way. If that's a snakehead, it's a giant.
God dang.
Oh, nice. It's stuck. There we go, guys. Take your time, you I thought he was going to be a pig. He's pretty long. I mean, at least it's a fish. It's a good sign. But there's definitely more down there. It's not like that one is just sitting there by himself. You know? Yeah. Get it? I got it.
Got him?
You got one too?
Yeah, I thought I did.
Oh man, that was the weirdest thing.
Keeper?
I don't know. Yeah, you never did. Look at this.
Huh? It might.
Stop. Nice. That feels like a good one. Feel like a better one? Yeah. Nice. Keep him down. Let's do this. That was a big hook set too. I can't tell you. He's gonna keep. He's gonna keep. Good work. Oh, he's the biggest one.
Fish number 5 coming off that watermelon color football head jig. One more to go. I don't know. No, it's getting small. I'm over here. You're not as small as I thought. That's a keeper. Hell yeah. I completely flopped that. Look at that. Hell yeah. Thank you, back out there.
All right, fish number 6, that's our limit. Give me some.
Alright, if we're gonna happen one day. Maybe not out of here, but out of somewhere. Yep. Unless it's running towards you. That's alright, it'll get the call out. Damn right.
Yeah, that'll call the other one. All right, that's our coal fish.
All right. Yeah, his mouth is like real fucking slime. Oh yeah.
Good one?
Yeah. Cool.
You got it. Take your time.
Put it on.
You got it.
There you go. Yes. Damn. Got it deep. Hell yeah.
Nice catch.
Get back out there. Can't wait to see the video of that. No? Good? Yeah, it's a call. What a call. Bring it. Right here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That's a 3. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
All right, end of the day, it's getting hot. Oh man, the big ones are out here, dude. They're moving up, we can't stop now.
I know. I don't even want to go in.
I don't either.
Oh, 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 stop.
So fun.
Last cast.
Last cast.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. What's up, guys? I just want to do a quick tournament overview of Sunday. First, I just want to say that it is going down in the books as my favorite tournament that I've ever fished. We didn't cash, we didn't place in the top 3. I don't even know if we were in the top 5, but it was just the fact that everything worked out in our favor at the end of the day, the way that we needed it to. That made it the best. So we actually only had 4 fish for 5 pounds up until 2:30, where we got on this point that we love to fish, and we caught 2 short fish. And then from there we decided that there were more fish on the point and that we weren't going to leave for the rest of the day, and I am extremely glad that we made that decision. We tripled our bag in the next hour and a half after that, and luckily finished with 16.88 pounds. A couple of factors that definitely played a role in catching these fish. One being the wind picked up, and I believe it positioned the fish on this point to where we could actually catch them. 2 would be boat positioning. We had to keep the boat in about 20 feet of water. We were throwing into the wind and pulling it through all of this offshore structure, which was awesome. I love catching fish deeper like that. And then 3, I'm gonna have to say it's color. While I'm not normally particular about color, I'd thrown a red bug, brush hog, and a black and blue jig about 20 times out in the same spot and never got bit. And then Ace caught one on a watermelon football head jig. I switched over to a watermelon flapping hog, and then it was game time. I mean, we were catching fish every 10 minutes. It was awesome. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have another tournament Sunday, so we'll see you there.